It's such a super venue here. So many great cars, such energy here.
I really like the interaction of the people, that we all are facing the same.
How we can apply these agility principles and values also to hardware development.
We work in an industry where you have to be a continuous learner. In fact, being a professional anywhere these days involves continuous learning.
Embracing Agile values, Agile principles.
We're seeing more and more focus where hardware and software are coming together to provide value to customers.
Letwell Academy really helped Van der Lande also in training, understanding and doing Agile. My biggest takeaway of today is that the solution is never easy. And if we collaborate on this, we will find a solution that will be helpful for more than one.
I'd love to be here to see how it's evolving. It's evolving fast.
Excellent coaching, excellent trainers, really good inspiration all the time.